Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by testing a hidden seam to confirm the leather finish won't lift. This prevents irreversible damage. Next, blot any wet paint with a dry cloth, do not rub. Once blotting removes surface moisture, use a soft brush with mild soap and water to loosen paint edges. Make sure to rinse the cloth often. Use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to lift soften paint gently. These first actions remove excess paint and reveal whether solvents will be needed. Once surface paint is reduced, switch to targeted solvent work. Dab 70% rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab and stroke from the paint edge inward to avoid spreading. You'll see paint break down. For stubborn oil-based spots, apply a tiny amount of mineral spirits only after testing, because stronger solvents can strip dye or finish. Use a soft toothbrush for grain or seams and change swabs frequently. Make sure to dry the area with a clean cloth between passes so you can judge progress accurately. After paint is removed, neutralize any solvent residue with a damp cloth and let the leather air dry completely. This prevents trapped chemicals from damaging fibers. Then apply a quality leather conditioner to replenish oils and restore flexibility, massaging it gently and buffing to finish. If you notice the leather finish lifting or color loss, stop further solvent use. Consider a leather dye touch-up or professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if stubborn discoloration persists, get a pro assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.